Hello guys, welcome to a new video of Certified YouTuber. In this video, we are going to test out the water test of the Realme 7 Pro. So let's get started. So guys, before we start the water test of this phone, let's unbox this phone. And you can see guys, the phone looks really good in the hand. I think the phone is made of plastic, but still the phone looks really premium. The display is Super AMOLED, so the colors are very vibrant and the cameras of the phone is really good. So let's start water test of this phone. Here you can see guys, the test of this phone has been started, so enjoy the music and watch the video till the end. So thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome content. Finally, peace out.